Do you want to become a better conversationalist? In our busy, interconnected world, the art of conversation is more valuable than ever. Mastering this skill can open doors in both your personal and professional life. Whether you're negotiating a contract, making a new friend, or just trying to get your point across, effective conversation is the key. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. So how can you enhance this skill? Stay with us, and we will explore some techniques that can help you improve your conversation skills. The first technique to become a better conversationalist is active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing the words someone says. It's about fully understanding the speaker's message and responding in a way that shows you're engaged in the conversation. It's about making the speaker feel heard and valued. Consider this: you're having a chat with a friend who's telling you about their tough day at work. Instead of simply saying, "That's tough," you could say, "It sounds like you had a really challenging day. How did you handle that situation?" This response shows that you've understood what your friend has shared, and you're interested in knowing more. Practicing active listening can be as simple as summarizing what the speaker said, asking relevant questions, or even just nodding your head in acknowledgement. It's these small gestures that make a big difference in the quality of your conversations. Remember, listening actively is not just about hearing, but understanding and responding appropriately. The second technique is asking open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are an incredible tool to keep a conversation flowing. Unlike closed-ended questions that often result in a simple yes or no, open-ended questions encourage a more detailed response. They show that you're genuinely interested in understanding the other person's perspective and not just waiting for your turn to speak. Consider the difference between "Did you like the movie?" and "What did you think about the movie?" The first question can be answered with a simple yes or no, while the second prompts a more detailed response, inviting the person to share their thoughts and feelings about the movie. Or instead of asking, "Do you like traveling?" you could ask, "What do you enjoy most about traveling?" This question encourages the person to delve deeper into their experiences and share more about their passions. By asking open-ended questions, you invite the other person to share more about their experiences and thoughts. The third technique is utilizing effective body language. Now, this is where things get interesting. Our bodies can be quite the chatterboxes, often saying more than our words ever could. You see, body language is a crucial part of our daily communication, subtly expressing our interest, respect, and understanding. Imagine being in a conversation where you maintain steady eye contact. This simple act signals that you're fully engaged, hanging on to every word. Now pair that with a nod or two here and there. This gesture, folks, is a silent applause, affirming that you're following along, you're processing, and you're appreciating what's being said. And let's not forget about posture. An open posture, shoulders relaxed and facing the speaker, is like rolling out a welcome mat. It says, "I'm open, I'm receptive, and I'm here for this conversation." So remember, your body language can speak volumes even when you're silent. It's a powerful tool in the art of conversation. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the art of conversation, exploring 3 key techniques that can transform the way we interact with others. First off, we delved into the realm of active listening. It's not just about hearing words, but truly understanding the message behind them. It's about appreciating the emotions, the motivations, and the thoughts that fuel the conversation. It's about being present, being engaged, and showing the other person that their words matter. Then we navigated the world of open-ended questions. These are the tools that keep the conversation flowing. They're the spark that ignites curiosity and encourages a deeper understanding. By asking open-ended questions, we invite others to share their stories, their experiences, and their perspectives, fostering a sense of connection and mutual respect. And finally, we discovered the power of body language. This silent form of communication speaks volumes about our attitudes and feelings. A warm smile, a nod of understanding, or a relaxed posture can set the tone for a positive and fruitful conversation. All these techniques, active listening, open-ended questions, and body language, are not just strategies, but habits to be cultivated. They require practice, patience, and a genuine desire to connect with others. So encourage yourself to apply these techniques in your daily interactions. With practice, these techniques can make you a better conversationalist. Start today and notice the difference in your conversations.